In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy section, which is this one. Now, scroll all the way down to access Privacy Controls, and here click on Permission Manager. Now, you can pick any of those features to manage it. For example, let's go with Contacts, and tap on an app under one of those categories. In case of Contacts, it's allowed or not allowed. Tap on the chosen one and apply the best option for you over here. In my case, Contacts access for this app, allow or don't allow, so let's pick allow and go back to check out if it worked. After a few seconds, Chrome gained access to my contacts. But what I like to do is pick in any feature, just to find an app I want to manage. So let's go with Location to manage my AliExpress. Now, instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to click on tiny text at the very bottom, which is See All Permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!